Today's concept number 5, relating to PDD or RDD or RBDD. PDD means provision for doubtful debts. RDD means reserve for doubtful debts. RBDD means reserve for bad and doubtful debts. Note down the question. Concept number 5. Mr. A and Mr. B are partners in a firm. In this partnership firm, there are two partners, Mr. A and Mr. B. Sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:2. What is the profit sharing ratio? 2:2. Their balance sheet as on 31st/3/2024 was as follows. The word used is was. It means it is old balance sheet. Balance sheet as at 31st/3/2024. Draw the balance sheet like this. Left hand side capital and liabilities amount rupees. Right hand side assets amount rupees. Capital Mr. A, Mr. B. Debtors, inner column 20,000 gross amount, less PDD 1,000, old PDD, net amount 19,000. On 1/4/2024, make it as a 24, not 20, 2024. Mr. C is admitted into partnership on the following terms. Now the question is relating to admission of a partner because the term used is admitted. Who are the old partners? Mr. A and Mr. B. What is the old profit sharing ratio? 2:2. What is the old balance sheet date? 31st/3/2024. The date on which new partner is admitted into partnership firm on 1/4/2024. It is 24. You make it as 2024. Who is the new partner? Mr. C. Hereby, how many partners? 3 partners. Who are those? Mr. A, Mr. B and Mr. C. Adjustment. Number 1. Increase the provision for doubtful debts and debtors by rupees 200. It means that they are saying that now PDD is 1000. It should be increased by 200. Means they are saying that you make it as a 1200. In future you maintain 1200 PDD. So there is increase in the PDD. Show how do you treat the PDD. Now pause the video and note down the question. Means write the question. Solution. Solutions to concept number 5. Revaluation account. Draw the revaluation account like this. Debit side expenses and losses amount rupees. Credit side revenue amount rupees. Or you can write debit side also expenses and losses and credit side also expenses and losses. When there is increase in the PDD, write on the debit side of the revaluation account. Decrease in the PDD, write on the credit side of the revaluation account. In our question, they are saying that increase the PDD by 200. It means that there is an increase in the PDD. Write on the debit side of the revaluation account. But as per the rules of debit and credit, why we are writing on the debit side? As per the American accounting system or equation approach, revaluation account is debit side expenses and losses. So PDD is a liability. Increase in the liability, credit. Because of increase in the liability, there may be a loss, expenses and losses account. Increase in the expenses and losses, debit. That's why journal entry is revaluation account debit to PDD account. But as per England system or British system, what are the rules of debit and credit applicable? PDD is a personal account, credit the giver. Because of increase in the PDD, there may be a loss. Expenses and losses, nominal account. So journal entry is revaluation account debit to PDD. Check it. Revaluation account debit to PDD. Directly you write the amount 200. This is step number 1. Come to the step number 2. New balance sheet as at 1/4/2024. Draw the balance sheet. Left hand side capital and liabilities amount rupees. Right hand side amount rupees. capital Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C. Now there are three partners in the new balance sheet, Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C. In the old balance sheet there were two partners, Mr. A and Mr. B. After admission of the Mr. C, now hereby there are three partners, Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C. Debtors. Note down from the question, old balance sheet debtors 20,000, less PDD, old PDD plus increase, not minus, plus. It is 200. So amount is 1,200. 20,000 minus 1,200. It is 18,800. Step number 1, revaluation account. Step number 2, new balance sheet. Now everybody understanding it, how old balance sheet, revaluation account and new balance sheet are connected. So if you are understanding it, like it, subscribe it, share it and press the bell icon. Okay. So we are shortly going to start the CA foundation also, all the subjects in a conceptual manner, exam oriented, result oriented. Okay. In the comment box, write your name, your college name, your city name. Okay. Thank you.